What is up, guys, and welcome back. So now you can see that we are totally done with our homepage, okay? And now in this video, we're going to be working up with the about page and then contact page. So we will be covering these two pages, and then we'll be working up with more with these animations and the mobile optimization. So basically, I'll just showing you these three pages. The rest you can create the more. You just have to basically understand that what is the design and how designing a website is done, okay? So you can see that we have saved this. So now I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna hit exit the visual builder, and now we have to move to the about page. So you can see our home page is totally okay, totally amazing, and now we have to work with the about page. Here we go, and this is how my about page is looking. Okay, so I'm gonna come here and I'm gonna hit enable the visual builder because I want to design it with the visual builder, and you can see that this visual builder will be enabled. Okay, and now first thing we have is to create a short header, okay, and that will display the about us or about, okay, and then the below there we can just move on. Okay, so I'm just gonna click here and I'm gonna hit the regular, okay, and I want to just a full width. Okay, I'm sorry, this a column I need here, and then I need to add a text right here. That's gonna be about us. So I'm gonna add a heading. Make sure that this is the H1, not the H2. So your heading of the header should be always the H1 because this is good for SEO. We'll be discussing it later on. Sorry. Okay, I'm gonna add about us right here. Okay, and you can see that we're done till here. I'm just gonna come here, I'm gonna delete it, and you can see this is my about us section. So I'm gonna come here, I'm gonna go to the background right here, and I need to add a color. So I'm gonna go with the gradient effect. You can see this is how it is looking. I want to go with the black and the golden. Cool. Okay, and now I want to go with the gradient degree. So I want it to be this, the start position and end position should be like this. So I'm just gonna go with like this. So let's just build it. Let's increase the start position. This is how it is. I'm just gonna come here and I need it to be like this. Okay, I am gonna come here, and I need to work on it a bit. So let's just make it look great. So I'm just gonna come here and okay, I think this is looking cool. This is looking cool a bit, and then we can make the end position to be like a bit normal like this, okay, and change the start position to be here. So you can see this blurry effect. This is making the line look much great. Okay, I can increase it and decrease it if I want to. Okay, cool. Okay, so now what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna come here and I can make some edits here if I want to. Okay, but I want it to be a little bit more white so that it is not too bad. Okay, or let's change this color to be this and this color to be black. Let's increase this. Okay, I want to come here, I want to decrease this down. And let's just decrease the start position. Okay, let's just decrease the end position to be more down. The start position to be here. Cool. Okay, what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna come here to this color and I want to decrease it a bit, or just choose a bit of gray. Okay, this is done. I'm gonna come here, to this guy right here. I'm gonna click this about us text. I want to go with the design. The text is going to be the text size, so text size should be increased. Okay, let's go to the heading text. Let's just increase it. Okay, the line height should be 1 em. Okay, and the text should be light. So let's come here and choose this to be light. So you can see this is how the about us is looking. Okay, I'm just gonna click here and I want to decrease this, and a bit this. Okay, cool. So you can see that we're done till here. I'm just gonna come here and I'm gonna add a new section, and here would be the about us. So what we want to add. So I'm just gonna come here and I need a regular section, and then I need full column. Okay, let's add a full column right here, and then here, no. Okay, let's come here, let's just come here and let's change it to 2 columns. Okay, so here we want to add who we are. Here we can add about us, and then here we can add about us, that who we are, and here we can add some more information. So let's just design this. Let's just come here and let's decrease it a bit from the top, and let's decrease it a bit from the top here. So I'm gonna come here, I need a text right here. Okay, the text is here. I need a h1 tag, so h1/h1, and here should be who we are. Okay, now I want to save it. I want to change it a bit, so I'm just going to change the R to the golden. Okay, and I want to change the full size of it. Okay, I want to come here, I want to click here, I want to click the settings, I want to go to the design, I want to go to the heading text, I want to increase it. Wait. I want to go to the content right here. Let's go to the text and let's just change the style of this span. Okay, let's just decrease it. And here we go. So we need to just close this span, delete this span as well. Okay, here we go. You can see that now we can change it because I changed I added the extra large span here. That is why it couldn't work. So now you can see this is totally okay. I'm gonna come here to the design right here. I'm gonna go to the heading text and I want to decrease it a bit. Okay, cool. Now what I need a divider. So I'm gonna come here. I'm gonna click this one right here and let's add the divider. Let's click here, let's go to show divider, let's go to the design, let's go to the color, let's select the color, it is going to be the yellow. I'm going to go to the style right here, the sizing, and let's change it to 3. Let's come here, let's just decrease the height of this and also decrease the height of this. So this is not decreasing from the top side. Okay, I'm just going to decrease the width a bit more, okay, and change it to 2. Okay, let's just check it. Let's just come here. Let's just hit settings. Let's just go to the design right here, the sizing, and let's increase a bit of height. Okay, and just change this to be 2. Okay, cool. I want to go to advanced, not this. Okay, let's click here. Let's go to the design right here again. Let's go to the spacing. Let's go to the margin and let's decrease the margin to 15 pixel. 19, 25, 35, 30. Cool. I want to go to the content right here. I want to go to the design again. Let's go to the sizing and let's increase the width of this a bit. Cool. Okay, now we're done with this section right here. I want to add some content down below. So I want to come here, I want to click here, and I want to click this guy right here again. I want to go to the text because I want the text right here. And I want to paste some text. So I want to come here, I want to copy, and I want to come here and I want to paste it. Okay, we did a mistake. I need to just bring it down below this header. I need this header above. Okay, cool. So you can see this is how it is looking. It is looking totally okay. I think I need to give a little bit of spacing. So I want to come here to the sizing right here and I want to decrease the height a bit. Cool. I want to go to the advanced, the spacing, and I want this to be 25. 25 looks cool. Okay. Now here we want to add a little bit about us. Okay. We want to add that what we do, our mission, and something like that. So I'm gonna click here, and I want to go down. And here let's add something that looks cool. So let's add another thing or a different thing. So I'm gonna go down to the pricing tables. We cannot add pricing tables. We can add the post title, no. The sidebar, no. Tabs can look good. Tabs. Text, toggle. Okay, let's add the toggle right here, okay? And then here I'm gonna name it as our mission, okay? And here I'm gonna add some text. So if I just click here, it's gonna open it up like this, okay? And there we go. I'm gonna go to the state so you can make it the full open if you want to, okay? So I'm gonna make the first one open. I'm gonna go to the background right here. So I don't need any background here. Or okay, I don't need any background. I'm gonna go to this guy right here, and the title text should be this much, okay? And everything looks cool right below. Okay, so I want to go to the body text. Body text looks cool. I want to go to the border right here, and I want to change the border. So I'm going to choose the border to be 1 pixel from both the sides. 3 pixels, and I want to change it as yellow. Okay, if I click here, this is how it is. So this is looking totally okay. Let's just change it to be 2 pixel. Two pixel looks cool. Okay. What I want to do right now, I want to just click here. I want to duplicate it and duplicate it twice. So let's add 2. Let's add 1. Let's add 2. Let's add 2. Okay. I'm going to come here. I'm going to go to the settings right here, and I want the state to be closed. And this is going to be our team. So now I'm going to click here, and I'm going to hit save right here. So you can see that when we will load this page, this is how it will look. It will look like this. So I'm going to come here. I'm going to decrease a bit of text so that it looks totally okay. I'm going to come here. I'm going to decrease the text till here. That it matches the term that we want to add. Deleted. Okay, it looks cool right now till here, or just delete it. Okay, so this looks totally okay. I think I should just change this line. Okay, perfect. So you can see that we have our mission right here, and then we have our team section right here, our team. So here we can add anything about your team if you want to. Okay, now what we want to do, we want to add a new section down below. So we will be adding that in the next video. So stay tuned, guys, and bye-bye.